is. And to award our third runner-up, can we call on Miss Christina Perazzo and Mr. Marvin Aguilar. So please do the honors of awarding our third runner-up. Our third runner-up is contestant number 1.
Before you proceed, let me just express myself. Kaninang inilaglag nyo si candidate number 10, napalagpas namin iyon. But when someone told me that a certain judge gave me a score of 35 in the criteria of intelligence and that made me the third runner-up, then I can fully accept that because no professional judge will ever dare do that. Papayag po ako kung ziniro niyo ako sa beauty, pero wag naman sana sa katalinuhan. Because the words that I told a while ago are not scripted. Those are the product of my capacity. So sana sa susunod po na mag-judge tayo, do it fair. Because sa aming mga bakla, unfair na unfair. Nakakahiya, napakarami pa namang professional. Thank you.
Okay, girls, let's not take it against the judges, alright? So whatever is the result.
Video kayo backstage.